That's it. We got the power wire that's coming from the battery. We got on my middle finger this red wire going up here. It's the power wire from the switch. We've got the ground that I created leading all the way to the ground. The brown wire from the switch, I believe, what do we say, was going to 30? Post 30? Nope. Post 85. So the brown wire is going to post 85. And then we've got the wire that is powering the two cameras along with the backup. I'm sorry, not the backup, but along with the rear license plate cover. That is on 30. And this is it. Heading out all the way.